Alright guys, Social Blade is predicting that we hit 10,000 subs in 2 months. What do you guys say we show Social Blade what we think about that prediction? Alright boys, so today, first things first. Why is the beanie outside the hood? I'm not gonna answer that. Next thing, what's up with those pants? Oh, hold on, I can't even do it. What's up with those pants? Dude, they're work pants. I'm about to lay down on the patio and get dirty, bro. And the third logical question, what are we doing today? Well, you guys saw the title, so you got that already. Also, you saw the intro, so you're subscribing to my channel. Please, humbly asking, please. Also, dude, if I can manage to pull it off, I don't know how far I'm gonna get right now. The sun's going down already. It's already late in the afternoon and we're in Chicago, so it gets dark at freaking 3:30 or 4 o'clock. It's already 3:20, it gets dark at 4:30. That's what it is, 4:30. Dude, if I could drop the subframe today, that'd be sick. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get that far, but I'm gonna get as much of the front suspension disassembled as I possibly can. And that's the goal, so let's do it. Let's plan, commit, execute, and attain this one, boys. Also, I got earbuds in, because you gotta stay entertained while you're out here working by yourself, so. Got jam. Got some Kendrick Lamar going on. Hold up. This is Good Kid, Mad City. Not the album, the song is playing. The album's fire. Check it out. So we made short work of removing the upper control arms and the knuckles and the hubs and everything. Basically all that's left to do is to disconnect the steering rack and then I can drop the subframe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on it. I'm gonna figure it out as I go. We'll see what happens. Also, right now I'm listening to J. Cole. J. Cole is fire too. I'm just now getting into J. Cole for some reason, but if you like J. Cole, I like you. What? Is it really?
Oh, is it because of the...
Well, we did it! Now lower the jack down.
Look at that!
Yeah! How do I disconnect the fuse box? Alright, so the subframe clearly went really well. That was super easy. All the bolts came out easily for the most part except for one, but the impact made easy work of it, so it really wasn't too bad. Next, you saw me unbolt the fuse box. I don't really know what to do about that. I kind of want to get it out of the way so that this whole engine bay is like clean and exposed so that I can clean the entire thing like I've been saying. That is the goal right now. I'm not going to touch the engine until I'm done with this. Then I'll go and touch the motor. I know that as soon as I start working on the motor, that's all I'm going to want to do, so I want to get this done now so that way I'm not procrastinating the boring stuff. I'm gonna get this done first and then I'll go and do the fun stuff. So really quickly, I'm just gonna try to drain the brake system, the brake fluid from the car. I'm gonna go get like a little cup to drain it all into, and I'm just gonna set it up and let it drip. Tez. Good morning. All right guys, today is the next day. It is a very nice day outside. Check this out. This engine bay is literally so grimy. Look at all this. There is like just caked on grease, caked on oil everywhere. It's gross under the car. It's nasty and it needs to be dealt with. So I went to the store and I picked up 3 things of this gel engine degreaser. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Keep warming up. You're just fishing, working on your car. There we go.
Nice. Nice. Wow, I can't believe that just happened.
Got it.
Alright guys, that's it. So we basically stripped the entire front end of the Civic in today's video. There's obviously still a lot going on in there, but this is just about as far as I want to go for now until springtime, because my plan is to paint this engine bay when I can, when it gets nice and warm out, but I can't do that until I have like a 70-degree day and it's nice and dry outside. I don't want to paint it now in the middle of December outside. It's not going to give me the results that I'm looking for. So I don't want to remove like the brake booster quite yet. I don't want to remove clutch master cylinder, just because if I do, then the interior is going to be really exposed and it'll probably get a lot of water inside. And I don't really want to have that happen right now. I just want to keep that nice and clean. So I'll be doing a few like small things here and there on the engine bay, just like off camera from here on out. But after today, this should be the only engine bay video. I did not want to take, you know, 3 or 4 videos to show you guys removing all the different bits and pieces from the engine bay. I just want to make one super satisfying video that just has everything all in one. In the comments, leave suggestions for what color I should paint the engine bay. I really have no clue what I want to do yet. I don't know if I just want to go with white or go gloss black or what, but leave comments, let me know what you think. And that's really all I have to say. So if you guys like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button, help me get to 10,000. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.